So, today, we're going to be drawing this airplane. First off, start with the outline. Do 2 straight lines. And then, do a line that goes like this. And then this, 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 this. So kind of make like a, what type of shape is that? Like if you, and then you're gonna make like this type of thing, whatever. You can color it in, but you don't have to. I'm going to. Then make a little thing coming out, and then make it like, well, make the one side keep going straight, and then the other go straight, and then go like this. And then make the other one. And then we'll make the back. It will be just easy like this. Make a shape like that. And then make some back wings. Just like this. And do like on both sides. There. And then, let me see. Well, you can find a colored marker like this. And then we'll start to, so just draw that. And then we'll start to color it a little bit. I'm just going to use this, but you can use whatever colors like you want, really. Like these stripes. So let's start off doing one stripe on the wing right down there. Right down there. Once you're done with that, you'll make something going kind of like this, and then make it there. Well, better than that because I'm on a bed, so. And then make it like this. And then, let me see. You'll make down here on these, you'll make stripes going just, I'll show you 1 second, just like this down the bottom wings. So then you'll make on here, this thing, you will make a stripe going down like this and on both sides, just like this. On these two. And then you can color it. So just color this part red, and then the other one blue, one going down there red, and this make red, and then a separation in the middle with white, and then blue. Blue is the closest to the end on both sides. And then right here, color it gray. Okay. Like and subscribe. Bye.